Hi, my name's Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're looking at this all black 2019 SPX offered by Sea Ray. As you can see, this has a nice sea deck flooring on the back here. It's great on your feet. It's got a 4-step ladder and a nice walk-through, so you're never stepping foot on the upholstery. As you can see here, this one has a side seat. You can actually take this side seat and store it underneath here if you'd like to have some leg room, which is really nice. It's dedicated storage, so it won't clink around. Have a nice spacious bow and storage under both of those seats. And here in the back we have a bench seat with a fully insulated cooler underneath. There's a drain at the bottom of there, so all your ice will just drain out when you're done. And then here at the helm, we have a flip-up bolster on the seat. You have some chargers for your smartphones, as well as your dash and your Fusion head unit. So this is a great boat. This one comes with blue accent lighting in the corners and in the cup holders. It's a great boat. Again, my name's Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Stop out and check out us today.